So today we've got a quick video for you on using Sika Pro Select Quick Patch for concrete. We got some cracks in our driveway and one area is kind of chipped out that we're going to try this on. And this comes as a two-part mix. There's apparently some polymer material in this bag, and then down below here you can see there's concrete, just the powder mix in that bag. So we're going to roll this top bag in the direction of the arrows until it bursts the seam right here and mixes with the powder, and then we're going to mix it up really well and then cut one of the corners off of this bag down here and pour that slowly into our area that needs a patch. And we've already cleaned the area as best we can with a blower and a little hand broom. this is about 24 hours later, and you can see that it looks pretty good. I probably could have used 2 bags to get the areas over, you know, to the side that I didn't get to fill, and I'm probably going to get some more. But my point was that with no tools, if you've got an area that needs a patch or a spall, I think they call it, and the concrete chips up like this, this Sika solution seems to be perfect. And what you're really trying to do is to seal it up and make sure that water doesn't get in there in the winter if you live somewhere that freezes and bust the concrete up worse than it already is.